I'm going to do a quick review now of these new Kanoko earbuds that I got 2-3 days ago. And I want to say that I'm really impressed with these earbuds for the price. I think these were on sale and I got them for under $9, something like that. Really, really nice earbuds. Now, these earbuds, I will say, are about as simple as an earbud could be. See, there's not much to it. There's no screens on here. There's just one light to show if it's in charging or not. You can see the earbuds. But they've done everything that I needed them to do. I took them to the gym yesterday for about 2 or 3 hours. They worked fine. They blocked out the sound from the gym. Not as much as sound blocking type of earbuds, but just their standard earbuds. They worked fine for blocking out the sound. The quality was good. Again, the quality's not as great as a pair of earbuds that cost $100 or anything like that. But for being in the gym and just listening to some podcast or a movie on my phone, they work perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with them at all, especially for the price. You can see it does come with a charging cable, USB-C charging cable. Comes with some extra little pads here for the tips of the earbuds. Really nice to have. The mediums that are on there are fine for me, but it is nice to have the other ones to get a more secure fit. And I might try playing with this to see if I can do some more sound blocking as well as the gym. I had these on and off probably about 3 or 4 hours yesterday. Had no problems with them running out of power, anything like that. It did take a while to recharge, but I will mention one thing. When I first got this, I didn't notice that across here they had placed a little bit of blue tape. So when I went to charge them, this was keeping the earbuds themselves from being charged, even though the case charged up fine. For the price, under $10, if something goes wrong with them, if I lose them, forget them at the gym, something goes wrong with them, it's not a big deal. But they work really well. I am really pleased with this, especially for the price.
Hey guys, I'm doing a review for the Kurdene headphones. For size reference, we'll start off with that. It fits in the palm of my hand. It can fit in your pocket, easily accessible. It has a ordinary class USB charger port and has a magnetic case. It's not too hard to open, kind of shaped like an egg. You got your left blue and your right red. Sound quality, I would say a 4 out of 5. For aesthetics, inconvenience, size, etc., a 5 out of 5. I really like that. I've not tested how long the charge lasts, so that's left to be determined. That's pretty much it. I bought these, and there's a special surprise inside. It saves me money. And if you buy these, you'll find that out too. But this is a genuine review of these Kurdene headphones. I really like them. They're kind of like earpods on a budget without the earpod look. These fit in your ear really well. There's different sizes to accommodate your ear size. It's very important here. These are not waterproof, FYI. I'm not a dummy who listens to music in the shower or listens to music out in the rain. So if you don't do that, these will work perfect for you. And that's pretty much it. open my actual earbuds. Alright, when the blue thing is off, these things are gonna start blinking, and then there they are. That's it. I'm telling you, they are amazing. They're only $9.99, not $89.99. Plus, babes, I lose my AirPods all the time, so. Oh, maybe I gotta do this again. Okay, let's see. Click it. I just had some that I bought for me. They honestly did not take this long, but oh, there we go. We got a blue light now. Let's see. Once you do this, you don't have to do it ever again. They automatically pop up. Ooh. Ooh. Watch me. Watch me. Let's see. There they are. Connected. See, I just didn't do it perfectly right the first time. So easy.
Alright, these came in today, and I must say I am not super happy with them. The sound is alright, but my main problem is how it fits in your ear. Like, the instructions try to tell you to put them in and then twist them, but personally, it just feels really awkward. Does not feel comfortable in my opinion. The material of the earbuds kind of feels cheap, but maybe that's just my own opinion. And something that I didn't take notice of when ordering these is that the light, there's like no indication of how charged it is. Like for these are the Tozo, and when you plug them in, it says, it will like display how charged it is, which is very convenient, very easy to see based on how many of the dots are flashing. But for these, it's just the one dot. I do like how the case will click close. Like for my Tozo earbuds, it's only with the magnet, and sometimes it'll like come loose and like fall over. But yeah, overall, not very happy with these.
I was not expecting the greatest quality when I first got these. Let's see if I can open them up. Because, you know, they're not overly expensive, but they actually work. There's like a little magnet in there, and it kind of sucks it back in. You can use one, you can use both. They stay charged. Let's see, because this recharges the headphones. They just work really well. I've been able to go 2-3 days without having to charge them, and they are still holding the charge. So, and it's got a little magnet in there, nice little case. And it comes with a little charger cord. You know, for the price, they work really well. I mean, maybe not as noise canceling as like say Bose or something, but really they're pretty good.
A review of the Coomer small Bluetooth earbuds. They are an excellent buy. The range is fantastic. The battery life is good. Everything I find is very good about them. Um, and just to help people, because I had some confusion with how to charge these things, and in the booklet it says that the light flashes and then it stops flashing, and that means it's done charging. Um, but the light stays on all the time. You know, it'll flash when it's charging, and then it stays constant when it's done charging. And the little earbuds themselves have little lights on them, and they're ready to go. They turn green, and it's a good product.
Full out. Well, I see everything in a one box. You see there? This come with the C-type charger. Look neat. Look neat. Look neat. Charging port. Back, front. So this is how it open. Yeah. See it there? Same thing for you and Chevy, you know? Brand new.
This AirPod was a good buy. It's cute. It's easy to carry around. And I love that when you take them out of the case, they connect and let you know with the blinking of the light. Now the light is flickering red and blue, which means that it needs to be charged. It's magnetic, so it slips right back in the case, and the pods charge in the case with this light as an indicator. Or if the pod runs out of charge, you can plug it in. It's a C. So yeah, I really love these.
This is what it looks like when it's charging, and this is amazing. I tested it out. The sound is perfect. I connected it with a Google Pixel 7a, and the music through Spotify sounded amazing. And I also connected it or watched the video on YouTube. The sound is also amazing. It doesn't sound like it's drowning, or like it doesn't sound like it's underwater or something, because that happens with a lot of the cheap earbuds. But yeah, this is amazing. Charging it right now, and so far the battery life is awesome. I don't really have to charge it that often. So yes, a must buy.
So yeah, I just want to show quickly on these headphones. They were great when I got them. Unfortunately, it's my second pair, and both pairs within a week of first use. The left one, I believe on both of them, stopped charging and just completely doesn't function. I tried troubleshooting it. I've cleaned the contacts on them, tried different case. I tried charging it on the right side as opposed to the left, and no such luck. So I would steer clear of these and try another brand. I'm probably going to give Tazo a try next.
These Earbuds are garbage. No working. No charger. No nothing. The USB cable. No charging. Nothing. No work. The charger.
So what do you think about these? What do you think about these? You said they work good?
Yeah, they're good. They're just, it's just kind of like bulky, like,
On the outside?
yeah.
But they got good sound?
Yeah, if you don't mind the bulkiness of it, then, which,
And those were a small, so
These are really good. I don't even remember the last time I charged them. I only have to buy more because I keep losing them. Sorry. But I have bought at least 8 pair because they work so good.
Great product so far, very easy to install. Comes with instructions, very easy. Extra earbuds. So far so good.
Go for a run in the rain. You won't have to worry about social distancing. Cause ain't nobody on this motherfucker.
con el tiempo, esa